everyone, this is Angie at Stamping with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going back to our regular schedule. Tuesdays are pretty much like quick and easy, more quick and easy. And Sundays are usually a little bit more, I don't know, they're more advanced, or they're like my original designs usually, something like that. Anyway, we're going back to that old schedule because Christmas in July is over. It was over Sunday with my last project. By the way, if you haven't seen that, it's one of my favorite that I've done, and it came about by a mistake. So yeah, go check that one out, and I'll link it maybe in this description somewhere or in this video so that you can go check it out, because I really like that one. And thank you all for all the great comments and for telling me which one you like better, because I did do it two different ways. And today we are doing a little gift box. I'm just using this to fill it with like some Ghirardellis or some chocolates, because a friend's daughter had a baby girl and I thought this would be really cute to use the little sweet pea stamp set. I think that's what it's called, sweet pea. Yeah, it's called Sweet Peas. By the way, this is in stock. Last time I did a video using this, it was out of stock. So it's back in stock. I checked to make sure. And yeah, I really like this. I just thought, you know, it'd be cute to attach it to a card, you know, with a gift card, and just give her something. Every mom needs chocolate right after they deliver a baby. Something like that. I just thought it would be just a cute little touch. So this is what I'm using. This could be used for an anniversary. I thought it was so cute with the two little peas in the pod. And yeah, it's really cute. So this is what I'm sharing today. This box is 3 by 3 by 1 inch. So you can fit a bunch of Ghirardellis in here, any kind of Hershey's Kisses. I don't even know exactly what I'm putting in yet. Just some kind of chocolate. All right. So what you need for this is the sweet peas. This is the one right here. Y'all, I can't wait to use this little guy right here. He is so darn cute. He is a little grumpy pea, and it says, "Hello, Grumpy." But there's a birthday. I did this one for our birthday, and it says, "Happy birthday, welcome, sweet pea, and you make me happy." I thought this one would be cute for an anniversary with "You make me happy." But yeah, it's such a cute little stamp set. And then that doesn't have dies, so you do have to fussy cut. Then I'm using the Nested Essentials dies just for the banner, the large banner here. I already cut that one out. And then the Designer Series paper I'm using of the Bright Collection, which is Granny Apple Green, is what I'm using on this. So everything coordinates. All right, so the paper, this is 8.5 by 5. And these two to mat is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8 and 7/8 by 2 7/8. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and share with all your friends, because those are the things that really help. And if you comment, it also helps our channel. So thank you so much for all of that. All right, let's get started by just stamping these cute little peas. And I'm going to use Memento because we are coloring, and I am coloring with my not my blends, but my Ohus, because I need my little mat. My some of my greens are dried out, so we're gonna color with the Ohu. And yes, I love these markers anyway. I'm not going to make excuses. All right, so we're going to stamp also this. And we are going to stamp the sentiment at the top. Welcome, sweet pea. That crinkling you're hearing is my water. My allergies are killing me today, so I had to get a drink of water. All right, and the little leaves we're going to stamp. We're going to stamp 2 at the bottom here, right in those little groove areas there, and then 2 at the top. Don't worry, don't be fussy with these, because it's gonna we're gonna cover that with our little peas. And then I'm going to use some bubble bath, because it was a little girl It is a little girl. And I just wanted to add a little bit of pink something. So I'm using these little kind of, they're like little dots kind of. And it's not much, but that just adding a little touch would be cute. And the heart is going to be pink as well. All right, so we're going to get coloring here. It's super quick and easy coloring too, y'all. So if for those of you who have these, because I know some of you have gotten them, they are GY5, GY7, and GY4 for the P's, R21 and R12 for the little heart. And they are linked in the description below my video. And yeah, you can find them there where to get them. All right, we're going to use the lightest for these little P's. Let's do the leaves first. Excuse me, because yes, like I said, my allergies have been so bad. This is Texas for you, y'all. It's the darkest. All right, so I'm going to use the lightest one first, which is the GY4. And by the way, I have a hex chart I need to fill in with all these colors of the who's I have. And I just haven't had time to do it. It'd be easier. I wouldn't have to swatch every single time I use them. But it's okay. I like doing that anyway. And then I'm going to just use some of the dark. And I'm just going to add a little, kind of few brush strokes up. You're not going to even see all of these because the P's are going to be on top of them. All right, that's it for that. Now let's get our little P's done here. So I'm going to use the lightest first. And we're going to, I don't know, did I move these? Yeah, that one's the lightest. We're going to use those, but we're going to shade with this other one so it's okay. And then I'm going to color this all in the lightest. The lightest is the GY7, by the way. And then I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to shade some of these. I'm going to grab that lightest one again. It just gives it a little bit more depth when you do that. Okay, the middle one, I'm going to shade here, and then we'll use the darkest one on this part. Like I said, this is very quick coloring, y'all. We're not going to be super fussy. And then I'll take the lightest one again and just kind of blend these. And that is going to be it. We're going to do our heart. And I'm just going to shade it a tiny bit with this dark. That's it. Now I do have to fussy cut this. So we are going to fussy cut the heart separate from the little P's. And I'm going to speed through it because I know it can be a little bit boring watching the fussy cutting. But this is really easy fussy cutting. Okay, y'all, I got them both fussy cut, and we're ready to get it going. I am going to go ahead and add it to here so we have everything ready. I'm going to use the sides of my dimensionals here because I like to use them all. Now we're going to just put the long one on here, our little P's. And we're going to pop it up right in the center of those little leaves. And then I'm going to cut a tiny piece for that heart. And we're going to pop that up as well. This little heart is so little. And we're going to put that right there because it's just so cute. These little P's are adorable. All right, so that's all ready to go. Let's make the box. We are going to score first. Let's scoot that out of the way and let's do our scoring. I don't have my wax paper up here. I need a new piece, so we are going to go for it. So on the 8.5 inch side, we're going to score it at 1/2, 1.5, 4.5, and 5.5. Then you're going to turn it and you're going to do it at 1 and 4. This is a really easy box to make. All right, so this is the 1/2 inch side right here. You are going to cut down here. Cut that 1/2 inch piece right there off. Do the same on this side. And then go all the way down on that. Cut that 1/2 inch off there. Cut into these because these are our inside flaps. Then you can cut off at the top here, that 1/2 inch, just so that goes in the box easier. Let's cut that a little bit. And then you're going to cut the sides to the first score line and cut into these. And then the sides the same way. I've made boxes like this before, y'all, so if you've been around, you know these are the easy ones. Okay, we're going to sharpen all these score marks. All right, now we're going to use, I think I'm going to use my Seal Plus for this. And I'm just going to put it on these inside flaps here. And then you're going to tuck these in and lift this up. And we're going to just close it up here, line these up. There you go, then this just folds in and that folds into it just like that. Let's mat it. We're going to use wet glue. I haven't refilled my seal or my regular seal yet. I need to do that. Y'all, I've been organizing my room, and I'm so happy because things are looking so much nicer. I've even organizing my drawers again, and I mean, I did this when I first had my room, put it together, but it really needed it again, y'all. I accumulate too much stuff. That's why I'm doing the mystery boxes. So by the way, if anyone wants a mystery box, I still have mystery boxes left. You can get it on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. At the top it just says mystery boxes for sale. Yeah. I don't think I mentioned it yet, but yeah, if you want one, I still have a few left. All right, so we are going to pop this up as well. So I'm going to use these extra ones here. And we're going to remove those backings, and we are going to put this on here, and just like that, it is ready to go. Wouldn't it be really a cute little idea for, you know, a new mom? Just a little extra something for the mom. You know, I just thought it was real cute. I'm giving a gift card, so I'll probably just, you know, hand this with the gift card. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, here's my July host code. And you can shop on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.